You have some apps on your iPhone, but you don't know how to hide them. You wish you could, but you don't know. Then you don't have to worry because I, Koscyber, am here to show you the secret step to follow and hide that secret app of yours. So please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to tap on the notification bell to be notified anytime I do an upload. So hiding your apps on your iPhone, you have to do this thing which has this one has a first and a second interface. So you can choose to do one. So let's get started with the first one. So you go to settings, you go straight to screen time, turn on screen time, tap on continue, tap on this is my iPhone, then use screen time passcode. You create a passcode, confirm it, you put in your Apple ID in case you forgot the passcode. Then you do what? You tap on what? Okay, then you put in your password, and that one you also what? Tap on okay. Then you are done with the what? First what? Interface. So now we are going to the second interface. So now let's hide these social media apps right now. So first of all, you go to settings, you go to screen time, you go to content and privacy restriction, you turn it on, then tap on content restriction, then you go to apps. Now here is the place you are going to hide the social media apps or the apps that you want to hide. So you go to age 4 plus. Now let's go home and check whether our social media apps are being hid. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and the rest. Whoa, so now we don't have any social media apps here. Let's go to this side. No. This side. No. Let's go to this side. Let's go back. This place. No. So now we have hide all these social media apps on our phone right now. When hiding our apps, our social media apps, we saw that we have 4 plus, 9 plus, 12 plus, and allow, don't allow, and the rest. Let me show you the reason why the apps are being hid by age 4. So let's search for one of these social media apps. Let's search for one of these social media apps. So this is the ages where they have age 12 plus. So which means age 12 plus and above. So the number 4 plus is age 4 and above. So if you want to hide any app, you have some secret app and you want to hide it, then you check the age, then you look for the number, then that particular app will do what? Will hide. Retrieve them back. If you want to retrieve them back, please follow that same steps and what? Retrieve them what? Back. So now you do what? You just come to allow apps. Then what? You have your social media apps back again. So this is the simplest way you can do what? You can hide all the apps that you want. Thank you. Consider subscribing, like, comment, and share it with friends so that they will also get this trick and hide their secret app. Thank you.